Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you've been wanting to try castor oil packs, but are worried that the oil is going to leak out and get everywhere, you're going to love this set that I got from DEROWN. I've worn these for hours on end and it never leaks out, doesn't get on my clothes or bedding or the couch or anywhere that I'm using them. And that's because it comes with double layer cotton flannel that you actually put the castor oil on. Now it's definitely going to seep through that and that's okay. And then the wrap itself, you'll get some oil on the first layer, but then that's it. That's exactly where it stops. It's not going to get into that second layer of the wrap. And so it keeps it completely contained. This comes with 6 different pieces. My favorite ones to use are the full body wrap. I like to use that on my upper abdomen area. And then my other favorite one is the neck wrap. So I get really dry skin, especially in my neck area. And I found that wearing that neck wrap has helped my skin to feel less dry and more supple. So if you decide to wear this during the day, you can wear it around and not worry about it falling off. It is very flexible, but still stays in place. This also comes with an 8-ounce bottle of castor oil, so it's so nice because you have everything that you need to begin and target any area basically that you want to get to. This is the ultimate castor oil wrap pack. You are going to love it as much as I have, and that's my point of view.